Saw you walking in the street one day, it was Sunday. You had flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care then. Everyone was watching you, moving to the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, cause you know just what you do. So if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm
It's Friday, we're gonna get some burgers.
Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
just say no.
Rosie's is one of my favorite smash burger joints in the city. Comment down below what's your favorite smash burger joint. I would love to hear about it. We got the double smash patty. Always get a double when you're in the burger joint. Got that crispy exterior with that medium well cooked patty. On the side we got some poutine, pickles, and cherry coke float. Congratulations actually to Rosie's for opening up their second location by Queen. Now we have our burger joint in Toronto and Mississauga. Really great.
Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No.
In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man.
For dinner, we picked up some porchetta plate from Porchetta and Company in Toronto. I remember they're actually featured in Anthony Bourdain's layover episode. It was in Toronto, so it's a very good dish. Gotta hit up with some hot sauce. You always gotta have some hot sauce for your plate. Just hear that crunch. Oh, so good. Amazing, thank you. Oh, amazing, thank you. Have a good day. Okay, so we're in London right now, taking a little break. It's been a while since I grabbed some Arby's. Last time I got it was back in high school. I got the usual curly fries. Got some extra sauce in here. Oh my gosh. Freshly cooked out of the fryer. Real pumpkin. So I asked the lady if I could grab some cheese sauce. Here. Dip that in. So good. Hey guys, so we're in Kitchener today. We're gonna check out Craft Ramen. It's one of the ramen spots I've been looking forward to since last year. So hopefully I can grab some good ramen, and here we go. Alright guys, so once again we are here in Kitchener, Ontario, checking out Craft Ramen. I ordered 2 dishes. One is the signature Tokyo Salaryman chicken ramen and the deep fried Brussels sprouts. For me, if you see Brussels sprouts on the menu, you gotta go for it. So here we are with today's meal. While I simply mix this first, my first impression is how beautiful the presentation for this ramen. It is close to about $15 and you can have so many add-ons to it, so it can add up if you add like certain toppings. You can also add the signature runny soy egg. Also, I love how I got some thin noodles, as this is my preferred choice for a ramen dish, and you got some thick slices of chicken. Now I would say I'm a little bit turned off that there's less broth in this bowl compared to the other ramen places I go to. Also, they ran out of egg early on the service, which is kind of odd. The ramen bowl, however, is very incredible. Has that deep shoyu broth comparable to konjiki that's based in Toronto. The noodle has a great chew to it, similar to konjiki, or also one of the good ramen shops I go to, Sensute, also Midori. Hopefully next time I come back I can ask for more broth, but I would give this bowl an 8.0 out of 10 for a delicious score because of the no egg and also the broth portion. Hey guys, so today I'm trying out my first brioche style donuts. I've always seen this in Vancouver Instagram posts, and I've been looking for one around in Toronto. Finally I found one, a local baker in Markham. Really good donuts, as you can see here. Got here. So side note, I kind of dropped the donuts heading upstairs, so it doesn't look pretty, but you know, I'll post some pictures on my Instagram to kind of like show you guys like the before scene of it. Okay, so I'm kind of curious to try the taro, the black sesame, and also the matcha. Trying out first. So let's start with the matcha. Look at this. Alright, cheers to the weekend. Oh my god. Really soft, really deep matcha flavor to it. You can see how much like filling that is. Insane. Ooh. Really good. I tried the taro, kind of cut it in half. Really like that freshness and also light donut. That taro is nice. Like, I don't know what she put in it, but that is nice. Down the Instagram page below on how you can pre-order these donuts, but half a set is about $24. I would like order a dozen of these.